Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board one of our brand new boats. This is a 2026 Sea Ray SDX 230. Super excited to walk you guys through this boat. This is a brand new model for the year 2026, so tons to check out. Super excited to show you guys. So up here on the bow, you're going to have a really nice and spacious seating area. This boat is optioned with a teak table package. And as you'll notice, you have a port side walkthrough instead of the center walkthrough. Just gives you a little bit more seating up here in the bow. So I like to call this boat the entertainer because you can pack a bunch of people on and everybody's still comfortable. All right, now moving into the cockpit of the boat, you are going to have a head compartment under here, and then on your port and starboard side, you are going to have swing back seats. So in this configuration, kind of your dual captain's chair setup, but when you're in the cove or anchored up somewhere and you want to enhance your entertainment space and really expand your cockpit, you can flip this forward and really enhance your space right here. Same thing goes for the helm station here, your helm chair. This one moves forward and back as well. This boat is going to be configured with a Mercury digital throttle and shift. Here at our helm station, we have our Simrad multifunction displays, twin Simrad multifunction displays. So this is going to give you everything from your chart plotter, your depth finder, your Mercury data, etc. Insert here. And then you'll also have your Lenco trim tab. So that'll just help you get up on plane a little bit better, or if you're heavier on one side of the boat versus the other, it will level the boat out. Really nice L-shaped seating here. This boat does have a Fusion audio system. And then another really cool feature on the SDX 230 is going to be the power tower. So with a push of a button, this tower is going to move up and down, whether you're under a height constraint, getting under a low bridge, or you need the extra height to get into your lift. Moving back into the aft section of the boat, you are going to have this really nice and spacious sun pad back here. This backrest will actually flip down, so if you need a little bit more space on your sun pad, you can flip that down and you'll get a little bit more room here. And then back here on the swim platform, this is probably one of my most favorite features of the SDX 230, and honestly almost the entire Sea Ray lineup, is the flip down swim step. So this will flip down, sits about 1 foot to 2 feet below the water. Just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple, whether you have your furry friends with you or little kids on the boat with you. Just makes getting on and off that much easier. So guys, there's a ton more to check out on this boat. If you'd like to see more, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to set up a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.